In this video, we're going to explore one of the most important engagement tools inside Google Meet, presenting and annotating. Whether you're sharing notes, modeling a skill, or guiding students through an activity, the Present feature helps keep everyone on the same page and focused. Once you're inside the Meet, look at the bottom of your screen for the Present button. It looks like a small computer with an arrow inside it. If you're on your iPad, you have to present your whole iPad screen, but it's the same icon, but you have to click the three dots first. This is on the iPad. So go ahead and click that Present icon, and then you will see three options: a Chrome tab, a window, and your entire screen. We will focus on presenting with a Chrome tab because it's the best and easiest way to present your screen when on a Google Meet. All of your current tabs will be available for you to present, so I recommend closing the tabs you don't need so you can easily find the ones you want. Choose the tab you want to present and select Share. You can scroll and zoom while you're on the Meet, but if you need to click anything on the window you're presenting, you will need to go to that tab. To zoom, click these buttons down here. You can also make your presenting window full screen for yourself. Now you don't need to worry about pinning this presentation window because as soon as you present, it will full screen the window for your students. I need to click something on this window, so I will go up here and click this, and it will take me right to the tab I'm presenting. Now I can click what I need to, and then we can go back to the Meet tab by clicking the Meet link right here. Let's go over the annotating tools you have access to when presenting on Google Meet. Click on this annotating icon. You have access to all of these tools. Feel free to pause this video to look at each of the options. We will go over most of them in this video. You can add text boxes. First click on the text box, then click anywhere on the screen. Then you can start typing. This is perfect to add your verbal directions directly on the screen. It's essential that if you said something important that you provide a visual aid as well. You can draw anywhere on the screen. Here I'm asking students what the difference between these two objects are, and they can tell me and I can add their observations directly on the screen. I can add more visual aids by clicking on the arrow tool under Shapes, and you can simply click anywhere on the screen to add more arrows. If I need to erase something, simply click the eraser tool. A cool feature within the annotation tools is the ability to allow a Meet participant to annotate. Click Let Others Annotate, then type the user you want to allow to annotate on your screen. You can add stickers and a sticky note if you need to quickly add directions and you don't have room on your window. That's it for this video on presenting and annotating in Google Meet. By using the Present feature, you can keep your students focused and visually engaged. Remember, use Present a Chrome tab for the smoothest experience. Take advantage of the annotation tools to highlight, write, or draw directly on your shared screen. And don't forget, you can even let others annotate to make your lessons more interactive. If you haven't already, check out the other videos in this series to learn more ways to boost engagement in your Meets. Thanks for watching!